Welcome to English Lexicon Hub. In this video, we will learn English with a simple conversation. Let's practice speaking and improve our English together. Chapter 1. Introducing yourself. In this chapter, we will learn how to introduce ourselves in a simple conversation. The student will tell the teacher their name, age, country, and favorite things. Let's start.
Good morning. What is your name?
Good morning, teacher. My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
That's great. Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Oh, Canada is a beautiful country. What do you like to do?
I like to draw and play with my friends.
That's wonderful. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Blue is a nice color. Keep learning and have fun, Anna.
Thank you, teacher. Chapter 2. Asking about the weather. In this chapter, we will learn a simple conversation between a teacher and a student. The student will answer the teacher's questions about the weather and talk about what they do on sunny and rainy days. Let's begin.
Good morning, Tom. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am fine too, thank you. How is the weather today?
It is sunny and warm.
That's nice. Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I like sunny days because I can play outside.
That's great. What do you do on rainy days?
On rainy days, I stay inside and read books.
That's a good habit. Reading is very important.
Yes, teacher, I like reading stories.
Wonderful. Keep reading and learning new words.
Thank you, teacher. I will keep learning.
Chapter 3. Asking about daily routine. In this chapter, we will learn how to talk about daily routines. The student will share what they do in the morning, at school, and after school. Let's begin.
Good morning, Lisa. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher. I am fine. How are you?
I am fine too. Thank you, Lisa. What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
That's early. What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Very good. What do you have for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
That sounds healthy. What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7:30 in the morning.
Excellent. After school, what do you like to do?
I like to play with my friends and do my homework.
That's a good habit. Keep up the good work, Lisa.
Thank you, teacher. Chapter 4. Talking about hobbies. In this chapter, we will learn how to talk about hobbies. The student will tell the teacher about their favorite activities and how they spend their free time. Let's start.
Good morning, David. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher. I am fine. How are you?
I am fine too. Thank you, David. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play football and read books.
That's great. How often do you play football?
I play football every evening with my friends.
That sounds fun. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like to read storybooks and adventure books.
Wonderful. Reading helps you learn new words. Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also like to draw pictures.
That's amazing. Keep playing, reading, and drawing. David, learning is fun.
Thank you, teacher.
Great job! You have learned a simple English conversation. Keep practicing every day to improve your speaking skills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Lexicon Hub for more fun and easy English lessons. See you in the next video.